I am here reporting to you in the middle of Hurricane Ian on my porch. You'll notice how big of a mess the storm has made on the ground going towards the woods. I will make sure, if I am vice president, that Veda will never be in such of a mess.